Hi, this is Jeannie, and I've already got my mums out on my back porch, and I was just going to show you how I've checked them to see if they need water or not. You have to keep them moist. You don't want to let them dry out. So what I do is just, put your finger, you just have to get in there and feel. And if that top dirt feels dry, you've got to give them some water. Just kind of reach under there and poke your finger down in the dirt, and if it's dry, they need watering. So pretty much you're watering just about every day, at least, if not every day, every other day. That one feels okay. And when you water, you want to water you don't want to wet your blooms. You don't want to spray your water on top. You want to get under there and water on top of the dirt. Now, if they're really dried out, you can take them out of them. I don't repot mine. I just set my pots over in my container. So I would lift this whole mama out and set it in like a 5-gallon bucket of water, or a big deep pan. If you don't have a 5-gallon bucket, I've watered mine we've got a couple of large stainless steel our dog watering dish, and I'll just set it over that like this mom is just sitting inside this pot. I have hydrangeas in this pot, and when the blooms are almost gone, I trim them back, and then I just kind of find a place to kind of nestle that pot of mums. But I can take that out and just, go put that in the dog pan and let it soak up some water from the bottom. Okay? Hope that helps.